As a gardening enthusiast, you always want your lawn to be in a top-notch condition. Are you tired of dealing with unruly lawn edges, messy bed borders, and uneven paths? Then we introduce you to Sachsenband, the all-inclusive solution to all your landscaping woes. We provide top-of-the-line lawn edges, bed borders, and path borders meticulously crafted from high-quality aluminium and Corten steel. We introduce you to the ultimate solution for lawn edging, path construction, and green roofs. Cortiflex. To install it, measure the garden beds and borders, lay rope or twine along the desired edges to outline your desired shape. Assemble the anchors and the connectors with the edge. With the measurements in place, securely use the screws to fix the Cortiflex anchors with the edging. Whether you're edging a flower bed, creating a path, or defining a lawn, simply dig a trench following the outline of Cortiflex. Now trim the edging to fit using the appropriate tools. Join the strips of edging. Connect multiple strips of Cortiflex edging seamlessly, ensuring a uniform appearance. Depending on the intended use, you may use some concrete to fix the anchors. Finally, backfill the trench with soil or other appropriate materials, providing stability and support. The unique feature of Cortiflex is that you can assemble the anchors at several positions and distance from each other. Two types of anchors, one small and one large, which can also be used as a connector, are available. Moreover, the approximately 105 mm 9 inches and 160 mm 13 inches edging is easy to bend, allowing you to create curves right at the building site, giving your design freedom.